Hi, this is Devin with Vive Health Customer Service. Just a quick video on our Vive walker hand grips. Walker hand grips will come in a pair. They'll fit onto most styles of walker that you'll find out there. We've got our Vive folding walker here, just as an example. The hand grip itself is very simple. Opposite of the tag, you'll find the hard side of the Velcro here, and on the opposite end, the soft side of the Velcro. There's a anti-slip material here that will grip onto the existing hand grip on the walker. Underneath, the cover can be removed, taken off of the foam to be washed if needed. And installation is very simple. Just place it there with the thickest part of the grip right over the actual handle of the walker itself. Wrap the soft side of the Velcro underneath first, and then take the hard, wrap that over, and fasten those two sides of Velcro together. Now you've got your grip installed with that added cushion for when you're using your walker. Couldn't be easier. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if the video has been helpful.